Welcome to our exciting drone face-off. Today, we're comparing two fantastic mini drones. The FPV drone with its impressive 2K HD camera and the DJI Neo, boasting a stunning 4K UHD camera. We'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to help you find the perfect drone for your adventures. Let's get started. The FPV drone features a 2K HD camera, which is great for capturing decent quality images and videos. However, the DJI Neo takes it a step further with its 4K UHD camera, providing sharper and more detailed footage. This makes the DJI Neo a better choice for those looking to create high-quality content. When it comes to pricing, the FPV drone is significantly more affordable at $159, making it an attractive option for beginners. On the other hand, the DJI Neo is priced at $289, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. Depending on your budget, you may find the FPV drone to be a more accessible choice. In terms of flight time, the FPV drone offers up to 30 minutes with 2 batteries, while the DJI Neo provides an impressive 54 minutes of total flight time with its 3 batteries. This extended battery life allows for longer flying sessions and more time to capture stunning aerial footage. In conclusion, both drones offer unique advantages. The FPV drone is perfect for beginners looking for an affordable option, while the DJI Neo excels in camera quality and flight time. Consider your needs and budget before making a choice. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.